welcome to today's video. I hope you're having a great day. So today we are going to unbag my Ipsy for July 2019, so the regular glam bag. I realized yesterday when I was filming, or after I filmed my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, that I also got my Ipsy Glam Bag the same day, which has never happened before. Usually I get my Ipsy Plus a little bit before. So I was super excited when I noticed that later on, and of course that was the first thing I wanted to do today. So what I'm going to do is open up my bag, show you everything that's inside, and then I'm also going to try on the items inside the bag. So it's kind of a first impressions as well as an unbagging. So I hope you like this style video. You have to definitely let me know down below. Before we get into it, if you do not know what Ipsy is, of course, like always, I will leave a link to their website down below, but Ipsy is a beauty subscription. This one is only $10 a month and is one of my favorites. It's consistently good. You get full-size items often, even though it's only $10. I just don't really think any other beauty box out there beats the price and the value. You really do get a good value for this. And they have a beauty profile, so, and I think it does a pretty good job, so you can get things that you want, so you can tell them if you like rarely want something, if you want something often, all of that. So that's super cool. So again, I will leave the link down below if you're interested. But yeah, let's hop into this video. So in just a moment, you will see me totally barefaced. All right, so I'm looking super moisturized. I just did a face mask. I did the 111 skin mask that we got in FabFitFun, and then I used my usual skincare, my oil, and my cream from Sunday Riley. So yeah, let's get on bagging so we don't have to look at this face for much longer. So opened it up. So we have the bag, and there's one item outside of the bag this month. I think this bag is so cute and perfect for summer. These are like two of my favorite colors, like this pink and like teal green color. So cute. It says Ipsy on here. So yeah, I'm loving the bag this month. Definitely one of my favorites. Let's start with the item outside the bag. So we got a brush, which we'll use today. This is by Firma Beauty. I don't think I've used anything from them before. This is the Firma 204. So this is like an eye shading brush, I would say, more so. Maybe yeah, more of a shader brush than blender brush. So yeah, excited to use this. We'll put that to the test today. All right, so there is a card. Let's see if my card actually has like information on it. Sometimes the cards show all the items and sometimes they don't. Oh, and it looks like mine does this month. Last month mine didn't. So July 2019, dive in. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks, guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. So let's see what it says about this brush that we just opened. The Firma Beauty 204 Wide Blender. Oh, okay. So I guess they call it a blender. It looks more like a lid shader brush. Could not come up with that word right now, oh my gosh. It says, on the hunt for quality brushes, look no further. All of Firma Beauty's fab tools are skillfully handcrafted by Japanese artisans. This brush is ultra soft, wide bristles. Oh, it is really soft, which means it's ideal for applying shadow evenly and effortlessly with zero streaks or smudges. It says, for a wash of color, dip the brush into your shadow, tap to remove excess, and sweep across your entire lid. Okay, next up we have something here by Pacifica, which I'm super excited about. I'm really starting to like this brand. It's pretty affordable. It's available at Target, and it is cruelty-free. So this is a Pacifica Bronze Rose and Coconut infused blush and bronzer for your beautiful cheeks. Again, it says it's cruelty-free, and it also is 100% vegan, and the packaging is always cute. And this is exciting, so we have two things to try out in here today. It says it's a rosy blush and bronzer duo to take you into summer, even if it is only in your dreams. Mineral color formula infused with coconut and rose, universally flattering, and it says the shades are Wild Rose and Desert. So let's get this open. So this is the packaging. I like it, it's cute. And here are the two shades. So the blush looks like there's a little shimmer to it. Let's swatch it. Ooh, they're very buttery and nice. So here they are on my hand. Hopefully we can make these work today. So definitely excited to get this. Oh, and there's a mirror in the back. That's so cool. Oh God, I look so scary. Let's speed this up so I can get some makeup on my face. So the reason why I'm totally barefaced is because of this product right here, the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. And on the back it says this is cruelty free, so there's not much information on this packaging, so let's look at the sheet. It says, this British beauty brand Ciate is known for creative, unexpected products that encourage you to flaunt your unique beauty. To hydrate, refresh, and prep your skin for makeup, smooth on this watermelon extract infused primer. It'll boost your glow and help your makeup last longer. It says use pea-sized amounts of this primer on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. This watermelon infused black beads will dissolve into your skin, then blend it evenly all over. So we will try this out in just a moment. And then we have one thing, we won't be trying this today because they're sleeping masks. This is by BRTC. There's the Vitalizer sleeping mask and the pore tightening sleeping mask. So I'm not sure if these are each like one-time uses, probably. So customized skincare products for all different skin types is BRTC's mission, and this set of masks does the work while you dream. Reach for the Vitalizer mask to moisturize, refresh, and boost radiance, or the pore tightening mask to refine pores, brighten, or even out skin tone. You apply the mask evenly to cleanse skin, avoiding your eye and lip area, and leave it on while you sleep, and rinse it off in the morning and follow with your usual skincare routine. So I'll keep you guys updated on how these work, but yeah, can't try that since it is a sleeping mask. And lastly, we have something by The Balm. This is What's the Tea? Hot Tea Eyeshadow Mini Warm Shade. So this is the packaging, like typical cute balm packaging. And on the inside, so this is just like, it's kind of a boring color to get, honestly. This is like a good transition shade, I guess. So let's put this all over the lid, maybe add a little bit more today. So the Hot Tea Eyeshadow, I mean, it's super cute. It's shaped like a little tea, so that's adorable. But yeah, so that is everything. So we'll try on a few of the products and see what we think. All right, just cleaning off my hands so I can put that primer on now. So hopefully this does help my makeups like go on well and stay on. I've got some breakouts right now, and I'm just, you can see my skin's doesn't look that great without makeup on, but let's see, does this smell like watermelon? Oh man, it does. Have you guys noticed like watermelon is like totally a trend? So there's little like beads in here. This is interesting. So it says just to like dot it all over your face. Yeah, like yesterday I got the watermelon, oh man, this smells so much like watermelon. But I was saying that yesterday I got that watermelon moisturizer from my Ipsy Plus. So if you want to use those together, you'll be like extra well watermelon-y. So this is going on fine. I really didn't need like like more glow, but I'm all about hydrating primers and all of that. So yeah, you can still kind of smell it. I didn't really notice those beads. Here's one on my hand. Let me. So they just rub in right away. There's little beads in here, if you can see. When I put on my face, like they just like go away right away. Like they must burst instantly when I touch your hand. So that was not an issue. I couldn't really feel it or anything like that. But anyways, I am going to go off camera and apply some foundation, concealer, like my base, and then we will get on to that bronzer and the blush. So I think I'm just going to use my Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation today. I have this in Fair Light. And then I also recently got their concealer, so I'll probably use that to like cover up my blemishes and stuff like that. So yeah, I will be right back looking a little less scary. Alright, so I have my base on, and I must say I really do think my foundation went over beautifully over the Ciate London Hydrating Primer. I really do love hydrating primers. I kind of forgot because I've been like focusing on different types of primers, like trying them out. But I feel like when my skin's hydrated and everything, like I did also do a face mask to be fair, that definitely helps. But when my skin is hydrated, I feel like my foundation just always looks better. So far I'm really liking this. I will have to see how it wears throughout the day. I can leave a pinned comment if you guys are interested. So I'll keep an eye on it. I am planning on testing some foundations in the future, so I'll do like check-ins for that, but I don't think today I'll be able to do it just for like, you know, this video, but when I do dedicated foundation reviews, I will definitely do check-ins and all of that. So I applied, like I said, my Wander Beauty Nude Illusions foundation, which I really like. And then I recently got the Wander Beauty the Duelist Concealer. So I use the illuminating liquid. I have it in light and fair. I use light today over my blemishes. And then under my eyes, I use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer that is in my project pan right now that I'm trying to use up. So I've been using it under my eyes like every single day. And then I use my Dermablend loose setting powder, which is also in my project pan. Put on a little Benefit Gimme Brow, another item in my project pan. Like, I'm telling you, I'm really trying to get through all these cruelty or non-cruelty free items. And then I put on like some MAC lip gloss, which is something I'll probably end up, will eventually end up in my cruelty free project pan. So yeah, so now we're ready to move on to the products we've received in the bag. So the Pacifica, the blush, and the bronzer. So hopefully these work. I am very fair, as you can see, so sometimes bronzers can be a little too warm on me. I clean my hands so I don't have the swatches anymore, but so I have some brushes. I'm bad. I really need to clean my brushes. I want to try and make like Sundays be like brush clean day, but then I wait like well over a month. So I'm hoping to clean my brushes, but I have like my go-to brushes I've been using past few weeks. So we'll use those. So so what is the brown shade again? So I'm guessing Wild Rose is the blush and Desert is the bronzers. I really do love how the mirror's on the back. If you want to use that, I could use that. So I'm just gonna use this like crown brush I've been using for my bronzer and dip this in. Let's see. I'm going and kind of like handed it first. I like this. Since it isn't too pigmented, I think it's looking good so far. I'm not sure what you guys can see on camera, but I might really like this. I usually apply a little bit like on my forehead. I am not one to go like overboard on bronze or anything like that, mostly because I am fair and I like more natural looks. So I think it's looking beautiful in person. I'm not even sure if you'll be able to tell on camera. Hopefully you can. You can let me know your thoughts, but I really like it so far. So that's great. I love that it's not like too pigmented. It blended really easily. It's just like a little, you know, just a tad dark. I like it, or not, tad bronze. So let's go into that blush shade. So I use another crown brush, I think, right now. I don't know, there's no names on it. I've gotten a lot of brushes like in my boxes, so from one of those for sure. Oh yes, there is a little bit of a shimmer. I do like this. So this is definitely a glowy blush, and I like those. I know it's not for everybody, but I like that look. Just glance back at the bigger mirror. Sometimes it's like easier to see like the bigger picture, you know? I'm like trying to look in the viewfinder, but this ring light's kind of blinding. But I really like this so far, and I think this would be considered a full-size item, right? Like you get a full-size bronzer and a full-size blush in the mirror. Like this is awesome. So far I'm loving this. Super happy with this. So it is a glowy blush, so I don't really like need a highlight, but I just got a highlight yesterday in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and we're doing an Ipsy video today. I'm like, why not? So yesterday I didn't even realize I got both my Ipsy Plus and my regular Ipsy Glam Bag in the same like day. That never happened, so super exciting. So I'm gonna try this out. This is the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. I have not tried it yet. I did swatch it yesterday on my hand, but yeah, so I'm using the Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. Whoa, so that is a true Ofra highlight, just like a little bit, and you are glowing. Yikes. Yikes in a good way. Oh yeah, I can see in the viewfinder, you can see that I am glowy today. And I am new at putting on makeup on camera, so let me know any feedback, like can you see what I'm doing? Maybe I can zoom in more next time. But I like doing this. I hope you guys like it too. Okay, yeah, I can see that highlight from like a mile away and I love it. Alright, so what do we have left? Let's go to the eyeshadow. So the What's the Tea eyeshadow in Ooh La La. And this is like seriously just like an everyday transition color. I don't even think I swatched it earlier. Oops. Ooh, it's very creamy. It's swatched extremely well. So I'm just going to use the brush we received, the Firma 204, the wide blending brush. And I'm going to just put this all over my lid, I guess. And then I think what I'm going to do, I just grabbed one of the ColourPop, the Super Shock Shadows in Cosmic Charge. Then I think I'll just use my finger and apply this like in the center of my lid. But let's see what it looks like first, and get a feel about this brush. I love getting brushes because like I said, I'm so bad at cleaning them. But I really want to start like a weekly or bi-weekly thing, you know? So wow, a lot picked up on that, so let's see how this goes. Oops, you can see like some concealer in my crease I should have spread out first. I can hear a cat scratching something. Fiona, is that you? No scratching the couch. Oh, I think she actually listened. So yeah, this eyeshadow is pretty good. I never think of like the balm like shadows, you know, I think of like other things like the Mary Luminizer, like, you know, their highlights and stuff like that. But yeah, this brush and the eyeshadow together is going on fine, blending well. So I'm just gonna put that on the other lid now. Alright, so yeah, like the brush, figured I would. Most like eyeshadow brushes do just fine in my opinion. And I like the shade too. I think honestly in the future I'll probably use it more as like a transition shade or in the outer corner, but I just put it all over my lid. And now I'm just gonna take some of that ColourPop shadow and use my finger. Alright, I think those two paired well together, so I am just going to hop off camera and throw on some mascara, and then let's wrap this video up. Alright, so off camera I used some of my Marcel eyeliner that I received in my most recent Birchbox, and this is in Espresso. And then I used my Il Makiage mascara that I received in last month's Ipsy Plus. So overall, I think this was a good month. So let's start with the bag. I think the bag is adorable. Definitely like a summer type theme, so that's great. I liked the primer. It smells really good. It left my skin feeling hydrated, and my foundation applied very well over top. My favorite for sure is this duo right here. I can't wait to play around with it some more. I think my skin looks really pretty, especially in person. Hopefully it's capturing on camera. And I mean, this isn't the most exciting shadow to get, the one by the balm, but I mean, it's a shadow I could incorporate into many looks. I just hope I reach for it, because usually I just use like palettes, but yeah, that's fine. And then the brush worked well. Always happy to get more brushes, and I'll have to keep you updated on the face mask. So yeah, pretty good Ipsy month. You guys have to let me know, are we bag twins, or what did you get in your bag this month? Definitely leave a comment down below. I hope you liked this like try-on style video. Let me know your thoughts, because I want to give you guys what you want. I think it's fun to do my makeup on camera. I want to get better at it, and then you can kind of really get a real-time impression of my first impressions. That sounded funny. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!